Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing a very useful video about enlarging app icons on your home screen. So many people try to enlarge them, but they can't, perhaps because the operating system itself doesn't allow it. There is a standard zoom feature, but people tell me in the comments that it doesn't enlarge the icons very much, and they want them to be bigger somehow. Because now, thanks to the higher screen resolutions on smartphones, these icons seem really tiny. I have a video where you can do this through developer mode, but now I'll show you without any programs or apps, without developer mode. That is, what additional steps can you take if, for example, you can't enlarge the icons? By default, when you go to Settings, you can type, for example, size in the search, and you'll find the icon size function. It's available on absolutely every smartphone. Yes, it's a standard function. By default, mine is currently set to half size, basically the same as everyone else. Those who want to make icons smaller, of course, do so, but I think most people want them larger. Yes, look here, you can make them absolutely huge, so to speak, but for some people it doesn't work that way. Some people drag this slider all the way to the end, but they only get a little bigger, let's say, not much. That's not enough for you. Now I'll show you one setting that you should double check, which affects this standard icon enlargement. Perhaps it will help you, and you'll be very satisfied. So, initially, the size of the icons is also affected by the desktop grid size. This refers to the number of your applications that fit in a single row. You see, I have 5. Some people even have 6, 7, maybe. The more icons fit in a row, the smaller your default size will be. Where can I find this setting? You need to press and hold your finger on an empty space on the screen like this, and find the settings here. Go here, and here is the desktop grid. See, mine is set to 5x5 by default. Some people might have 6x5, 8x5. Well, depending on the smartphone model. You need to set it to the smallest one. For example, mine is 4x5. I'm setting it. Now the transformation is in progress. Click the checkbox here. And look, everything has changed automatically. Notice I had 5 here, now there are 4. That is, there is a shift by one app. But firstly, they have even become a little larger than initially, when there were 5 of them here. I haven't even configured anything yet. Then the second thing is in the usual standard settings. Here again, in the settings search, type size, go to the same menu, icon size, and now set it to maximum. And now after this setting, these icons will become simply enormous. You see, I changed it. And this is absolutely without any apps, programs, without themes, without developer mode. I think this was useful to someone. Don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel.